Hi friends, today I'm going to be sharing exciting tips and tricks to boost your study skills. Do you ever find studying boring or difficult? Well, learning can actually be fun. Here are some exciting tips and tricks to help you boost your study skills and make learning a fun experience. Make it a game. Turn studying into a game by creating quizzes or challenging yourself to remember information. You can also create study games with friends or family members to make learning a social experience. Use colorful visuals. Visual aids such as diagrams, charts, and pictures can make learning more fun and engaging. Use different colors and fonts to make your notes or study materials more appealing. Break it down. When you have a lot of information to learn, it can be overwhelming. Break it down into smaller, manageable chunks and take breaks in between to keep yourself focused and motivated. Get moving. Exercise and movement can help increase focus and brain function. Take breaks to do some physical activities or try studying while standing up. Use technology. There are many educational apps such as the Learnxplore app and other websites that can help make learning fun and interactive. Reward yourself. Set goals for yourself and reward yourself when you achieve them. It can be something as simple as taking a break or treating yourself to a small snack. Remember, learning can be a fun and exciting experience. By using these tips and tricks, you can boost your study skills and make learning a fun part of your daily routine. That's our time for today, guys. We hope you've learned something new. See you next time.